Are home prices going to fall this fall? I don't know. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Jason Daniels with Finch & Gable Real Estate, and now's the time for updated stats. And the market really feels different. We've got a lot of talking heads on the news. We've got a lot of real estate agents across the country kind of stouting their what's going on. But we're going to pull some actual numbers here from Colorado Springs, the Pikes Peak MLS, and give you an update so we can see where things are headed. It's interesting from last month to this month. In the month of August this year, there were 1,407 new listings. That's down almost 22% from this time last year, and it's down 4% from the month prior, which that's a normal seasonal adjustment. It was down 4% from July. However, we are down almost 22% from 2022 in the month of August. Sales price matches that. We are down about 22% from this August to last August in 2022. So the number of sales are down. And then the average sales price, folks, believe it or not, the sales price is up. The average sales price is up 4.4%. That means when it feels like things are slowing down, it feels like prices are dropping, the average sales price has gone up 4.4% to $553,959. So almost $554,000 is the average sales price. So everyone's saying home prices are falling, we're crashing. Shockingly, we're not. Home prices have gone up 4%. Now, when we look at the median sales price, it's gone down $500. It's $480,000. So that's maintaining really strong. That's that entry level. Majority of the homes that are being sold in that first time home buyer or second time home buyer, first move up property, those are holding strong. The interesting thing was there was 2,400 active homes MLS wide, and that is down 8%. So interesting, things are holding firm. Interest rates are high. They're about 7.5%, but that has not affected the home prices. And everyone says that home prices are falling. Now, there are certain areas, we are finding areas out where there's new construction like Meridian Ranch, Lorison Ranch, where you're competing against new builds. The builders are starting to panic. Buyers are canceling because interest rates have crept up, and when they went under contract, the interest rates were lower and they didn't lock in a rate. So builders have built a ton of inventory with buyers backing out, and they're slashing their prices $50,000 up to $100,000, and they've also bought down interest rates. So we're seeing that hurting the resale market in those places where they're competing with the builder. But otherwise, here in the core area of Colorado Springs that's already established, we're not seeing that. So if you need to sell, now's a good time. If you're looking to buy, now's a good time as well. But let's look at year over year, or year to date. Year to date, there's been almost 11,000 new listings. That's down 26%. So our number of homes available is down 26%. That means our inventory is lower. There's less supply. That's why our prices have maintained. Our sales are also down 24%. So there was year to date last year about 80 or 11,000 sales. There's about just under 8,400 sales from January through August of this year. So again, that's down. But prices are maintaining. So if you're looking to make a move or buy a house, now is still a good time. And I would encourage you to go ahead and buy. If you're thinking about selling your home and buying, you can do that. We can get you into a home. Interest rates are most likely going to come down. I think it was something out of the last 6 election years, rates dropped like 5 or 6 times, or 4 or 5 times out of those 6. So there's a 80 to 90% chance rates are going to come down before the election in 2024. So there's going to be an opportunity to refinance. But as you've probably heard this before, when interest rates come down, all those buyers sitting on the fence that are going to make a move are going to cause an influx in prices, because again, there's going to be more demand than inventory at first. And we're going to see multiple offers, people bidding homes up 20, 30, 40, 50,000 or more. And now's a time that you can be a little bit more in control. If you make that offer, find the home you want now, and then refinance later. We call that marry the home, date the rate. You can always refinance. So thanks for watching. The market just feels a little different. It feels down, but when we look behind the curtain, look at the numbers, it's actually doing really well here in Colorado Springs. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.